Okay, this is the pipe we pulled from underneath the building. And what happened, the drain wasn't working for a very long time, but it probably didn't get a lot of use, so it kind of just had like a partial stoppage all the time due to the Orangeburg pipe that had roots in it. And what happens, the water just sits there, and then this is actually the top of the pipe that's split. And the reason it does that is the vapors from all the chemicals, like say they put common in one drain and then somebody does the laundry and puts bleach in another drain, and then the vapors over time, you know, I mean, this pipe's like 50, 60 years old, it just starts rotting the pipe out and causing it to split. And we excavated the pipe from under here. And we got the first fitting right here. I guess this must be I don't know, this is maybe a shower or tub. Anyway, but as you can see, the pipe's in pretty good condition. I mean, it is old cast iron and it never looks good. Right here, the integrity is very, very good. And there's no cracks or breaks under this. Usually the fittings are definitely much better quality. This is just normal scale. I wouldn't really mess with it too much because it's working, but also the moisture, the closer to the entrance we get of this, the more moisture there is. So anyway, it's not something you see every day. You know, take some sandcloth or something and clean it up a little bit, and then we're going to put this NOHA band on it right here like this, and then put the band on there. And that will make our repair. On the side, and then you got like 4 to 6 inches thick of concrete. Okay, so here we are back. We've already installed the pipe. We're doing the pressure test. There's no moisture anymore. Okay, then we're gonna back out of here. Kind of a long way. I need more light. And then we put our two-way cleanout right there. Going downhill, just like it's supposed to. And right there's our tie-in. The green pipe is the HDPE pipe, which we pull under the driveway. And this is our ABS plastic.